so excited to make this sweet potato hash. You are going to need 1 medium to large sweet potato cut into nice size even cubes. Then you want to bring all of those cubed sweet potato pieces into a large white mixing bowl. Drizzle with a little EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. I like smoked paprika, so I'm going to be very generous with the amount that I'm putting on here for flavor. And then I'm going to give that a nice toss and set to the side so it can marinate for a bit. Then I'm going to take a red onion and I'm going to finely chop about 1/4 of the red onion, because this is going to add some delicious sweetness to the sweet potato hash, because red onions cook up very, very sweet. I'm also going to set that to the side here on a plate because I actually have a few more veggies that I'm going to chop up, including a yellow onion. Now this yellow onion is going to give it a hit more flavor, something different than the sweet flavor of the red onions. Again, I'm going to finely chop this because I'm not really interested in it for texture so much as I'm looking for the flavor. Then I'm going to take about maybe 1/10 of the yellow pepper and 1/10 of the orange pepper and get that chopped. This doesn't have to be as fine because I do want to give a little bit of texture to the overall hash. Then I'm going to put just a drizzle of EVOO at the bottom of a pan, bring it to very, very high, and saute these veggies right now. This smells so good. I do want to just dash a little bit of salt and pepper right over these veggies because you guys know I like layered flavors, and the best way to layer the flavors is to season each layer. I'm going to put the onions, peppers to the side, and then in the same skillet I'm going to coat the bottom with a little bit more extra virgin olive oil because I do want to prepare my sweet potatoes in a way where they're almost like being fried, crispy on the outside. Then I'm going to cover them for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are soft enough for a fork to enter and exit without a problem. So these need a little bit more time. I'm going to leave uncovered for about 5 minutes and just give them a little toss. You can see the edges getting crispy. That's what you want. You want there to be a little bit of a crunch to the hash. And then you want to add back in your translucent sauteed vegetables and give it a really generous toss because you just want all of those flavors to just meld together. Oh, delicious. So it's D-time. It's time to try. I've literally been eating, I thought I was gonna have some of this hash left over. I clearly thought wrong.